Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install RabbitMQ on Debian 13. First, update the package index to ensure you are using the latest repository information. Install the tools required for adding external repositories and managing keys. Now, import the official RabbitMQ signing key to verify package authenticity. Continue to add the official RabbitMQ repositories to your system. Then, reload the package list to include the newly added repositories. Next, install the Erlang packages required by RabbitMQ. Continue to install RabbitMQ from the official repository. After that, start the RabbitMQ service. Ensure RabbitMQ starts automatically after the system reboot. Check whether RabbitMQ is running correctly. Next, enable the web-based management plugin. Continue to restart RabbitMQ to apply the changes. Then, create a new admin user and assign full permissions. If UFW is enabled, allow access to the RabbitMQ management port. Now, open a web browser and navigate to the following URL. Log in using the administrative credentials created earlier. Finally, you have successfully installed and configured RabbitMQ on Debian 13.